Hello. So we are back Monday morning and we have a job. Okay? We have a laptop with a Asus Eee PC with an Intel Atom processor. The problem with this one, pressing the power button and nothing happened. That's the power button? Yeah, that's the power button. Nothing happened. I have the charger here as a small connector, a small pin charger. Let's check the charger together. Minus, plus, and check on the screen. We have 19.3. You can see on the screen. So the charger is good. Let's plug the charger. The charger is plugged in and we have no lights here. You can see no lights. Pressing the power button and still nothing. It's still dead. Okay? Let's fix this if we can. Asus Plus charger must not be connected to the internet. So the customer doesn't want this laptop to be connected to the internet, not turning on. Was booked in Sunday. Yesterday. Yesterday was booked in. Okay, let's have a look together. I don't think I fixed this model before. But should be interesting. We have 3 screws here. We have more screws. I can't see any more screws. They are hidden somewhere. Here, maybe? No, it's not here. Here on the RAM slot. Here we have the RAM slot. No, we don't have screws here. Here? They hide the screws. No, there are no screws here. So I don't understand. This is coming out by the plastic clips. Here has a bump, so possible this has been opened before. So this thing is coming out? Yeah. So what does mean the frame? No. Yeah? Yeah, give me 1 second, give me 1 second. Okay. I don't think it's supposed to be open like that. Let's try and open from here. Yeah, plastic clips. Plastic clips. iPad. Warning.
How do you know he's not?
Maybe not. Maybe not like that. Let's try and go for the keyboard. Hmm? Possible the keyboard is coming out. The shoe comes out from this side. Okay, this is weird. Not sure how it's supposed to be open. Oh, we have one more screw here. Sorry. We have one more screw here. Okay, let's try one more time. Oh yeah, now it's coming out. And yeah, the keyboard is coming out. Good, and now we have a lot of screws actually. I think this is kind of old. But the customer want to fix it. So we have to fix it. Okay. So let's try now. And we have the touchpad connector here. That's good. And we have a small motherboard here. BIOS battery, we have the hard drive. Charging port. Let's go with the power supply. Power supply 19 volts. Ground from somewhere. And plus. And the current is too high. Yeah. So the board is shorted. Yeah, the limit is like 2.5 amps. So we do have a short on the motherboard. That's the reason why this is not charging, is not coming on. Let's take out the heatsink. This should be an easy job. This is an easy Monday job. We have one more screw here. We have a startup chip, Eee chip here. Let's take out this plastic foil. Let's try to identify the circuit. Yeah, first MOSFET, second MOSFET. Let's try and see what is the short. Here we have the charging port, and from the charging port is going to this MOSFET. Interesting. Let's come with the power supply. So we have plus is coming here. High resistance, it has like 2 volts. And here we have no short. You know what? This is different, okay? This configuration. So here we have 2 pins together. Here we have 2 pins together. This pin is separated. So this is a different configuration. Anyway, let's check this pin. And here is no short. Only here it's a short. Possible this to be some kind of regulator. And this is shorted. What is short here? This capacitor? No. I didn't see this configuration before. So it looks like this MOSFET has only 2 pins. I don't know if it's a dual MOSFET. But let's jump, yeah? Let's just jump and try to find the main power rail. And we are going from there, yeah? But how we can find it? Here is the BIOS chip, the startup chip. That's the battery connector. So if that's the plus, here should be the main power rail. And the main power rail here is not shorted. So this is the comeback voltage from the battery, yeah? So here must be our main power rail and it's not shorted. Here must be our main power rail and it's not shorted. Here is ground, good. So our main power rail is not shorted. So then what is short here? Yeah, because here you have a short. Let's see if the output, this output is actually our main power rail, yeah? Let's go to the diode mode. It's not. Wow. It is. So our main power rail is here. Okay. So the voltage is coming from here and is going out here. Okay. That's what it's doing. Now I'm not sure what's going on here. But clearly the problem is here. Let's see if we have a ground here. And no, it's no ground here. And the short is exactly on the charging port. Come on. It's exactly on the charging port. That means the short is on this side. So keep in mind, here you have the input, here you have the output. This is our main power rail and it's not shorted. So the short is here somewhere. And from the charging port to here. Okay, let's come with more amps. What do you think? It's a good idea? One second. Lorena, what is my petrol, man? My petrol. That's not. No, it's something else there. Okay, let me try with some alcohol. I can't find the petrol. Let's see again. Plus. So what is getting hot here? This resistor is getting hot because the short is somewhere here on this side. Yeah, so it's not on the charging port side. I was thinking for a second, you know, maybe the charging port is shorted, but it's not.
But basically,
So even if I come with current here, this still is getting evaporated quickly from the resistor. You can't see the resistor. Okay, this one, which is strange. Yeah. Okay, that's strange. Let's disconnect this resistor from there. Yeah. 1 second. Let me get a nozzle. So here we have a very strange fault, about like a very strange one. Yeah. Uh, okay, let's see. Да? Да.
68, yeah. But it is.
Give me 1 second. Okay. So remove that resistor. Yeah, remove it. 1 second. Yeah, I'm really sorry. The problem is the frame of the screen. If I take the frame out, the frame is stuck on the screen. It's possible to damage the screen. The risk is too high. I mean, I done it before, and when I took the frame out, I damaged the screen, and the screen is quite expensive. Like 150. Yeah, only the screen. Then you have the hinge job. Sorry. Uh, what did you say? Yeah. No, the frame doesn't break. The screen. Yeah. Yeah. So you want to do it? Okay. Valley, uh, booking the job, yeah? For £100, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So we remove that resistor. Yeah? We remove it, and we still have short on the charging port side. You see, that's weird. Yeah. But 80 will be fine. 80, yeah. Uh, so we remove that resistor, and here we have short, and here we have short. Okay, that's weird. 2 volts, 2 volts. So even if I remove that resistor, I don't understand. I swear this is a weird job. So even if I remove that resistor, yeah, which I was thinking is passing the voltage from the charger, yeah? Yeah, the resistor is passing the voltage, and I still have short on the both sides. So either we have two faults, you see, here is short, and here is short. And I swear here are like two faults. So pay attention on the voltage. Yeah, the current is limited. So here we have like 2.11 volts, and here we have like 2 volts. It's like are two different things. And you know what? Possible. Let me use some alcohol here. This capacitor is getting dry very quickly, right? Right or not? Or not? This thing is getting evaporated. You know what? Let's remove that capacitor. Can be faulty. Yeah, this one. Let's remove it. It's a weird fault, I told you. Okay, so we remove the capacitor. Let's see now. And it's still short, it's not the capacitor. Wow. No, it's not the MOSFET, because I don't have ground on the MOSFET. You know what, I want to see the board on the other side. Let's take the board out. And see how the board looks on the other side. I believe the secret is on the other side. You see, a small laptop actually can be not very easy to be fixed, let's say like that. But that's weird. So I removed the resistor and I still have short on the both sides. I mean, weird. I'm curious to see what's the problem. Very curious. Let's take out the hard drive. Hard drive is important, it's customer data here. Let's take out the screen connector. Let's take out the board. Oh, come on. You see, every time when you are lazy, uh, you think you found some shortcut and you don't have to take the board out. But actually the problem is here, on the other side of the board. So check here. What do you think? So what is this? Wait, this is a diode. Most likely it's a Zener diode connected between plus and ground. Meant to protect the laptop in case the voltage goes up. Possible. Well, Oh, so we have another resistor on this side. Okay. So one resistor is here, one resistor is on the other side. Kind of weird design. And I believe that this is welded to the board. Yeah. Okay. I took it out. Okay, let's connect back our capacitor and our resistor, yeah? Okay, that one is solder and the resistor. And that's the resistor, yeah? Perfect. So what about now? Now it's short anymore? Let's go with the power supply. 19 on the charging port. And it's not short anymore. The board started, it's taking like 400 milliamps. And the processor is getting warm. So the board is working great. Oh, that was stupid. I mean, the stupid part is always I'm trying to fix things, quick as possible. So I said, you know what, I'll not take the board out because probably, or most likely, the fault is on this side of the board. But yeah, probably like everyone else, I'm trying to get shortcuts. Well, most of the time I'm right, most of the time the fault is on this side of the board. But not this time. Not this time. Not this time. The hard drive. I just want to test it, just want to test. Okay. That's all, yeah? We don't need heatsink. We need a charger. I need a charger. Plug the charger. And we have no lights. Because the lights are on the... The lights are here. On this board. Pressing the power button. And nothing happened. Okay, let's test further. Let's check the voltage. The voltage is... sorry. Let me change the voltage. And the voltage is 0. 0 volts. Why? Sorry. Yeah. Because the board doesn't have screws. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's my fault. Yeah. Plug the charger. And we have the blue light. We have the blue light here. So the laptop starts. And we have picture on the screen. Yeah. Yeah, he's saying because we reset the BIOS. Okay. But the laptop is working fine. Power. Power on. It's working. But that was the problem. Okay. I'll put it all back together by myself because it looks like it's a long job, even even to put it back. But yeah, if you have this laptop, this can be a problem, this diode. Or if you don't have this laptop, have another laptop, it's good to check on the both sides of the board. Okay? Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.